The third day of the Brian North trial just wrapped up. He's the state trooper charged with manslaughter for the death of 19-year-old Mubarak Soulemane.
State prosecutors went over body-worn camera footage. They called witnesses from the scene as well. NBC Connecticut's Braceda Landaverde has more from outside the courtroom tonight. Braceda.
Yeah, Mike and Keisha, today we heard from both sides, the state and the defense, and both of them questioned responding officers about de-escalation tactics and if they could have been used the day that Soulemane was shot and killed. We also heard from civilian drivers that were near the area that day. It was an emotional day in the courtroom for Mubarak Soulemane's family as they heard sound from footage on the day the 19-year-old was shot and killed.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
You recall how many shots you heard?
I don't.
But more than one.
A lot.
Prosecutors called to the stand two civilian drivers that were on Campbell Avenue in West Haven when police boxed in Soulemane after a police pursuit.
When I was looking, but like I said, everything happened quickly, I didn't see any movement. I didn't see the silhouette move.
Body-worn camera footage shows State Trooper Brian North giving a description to supervisors after he fired several rounds at Soulemane.
Both have, guns out. The guy's kind of like out of it. He almost looked like he was passed out. Then West Haven got here. They broke the passenger side window.
According to court documents, after the window of the stolen car was shattered, West Haven police said they saw Soulemane trying to get something near his waistband area. Both a sergeant and a state trooper demonstrated in court what they saw.
I yelled something along the lines of, he's reaching, he's moving.
Police say Soulemane displayed a knife and Trooper North opened fire. On Wednesday, prosecutors asked State Trooper Joshua Jackson why the troopers did not try to de-escalate.
Our primary goal at that point was to remove and restrain and handcuff the driver who just led us on a police pursuit.
The defense argued the state troopers feared for their lives.
You couldn't have an opportunity to de-escalate the situation because, by your own words, you felt you were in an imminent fear of danger because there was a clear path between you and that knife that Mr. Soulemane possessed, correct?
Correct.
Now, the state said they may rest their case tomorrow, and the defense says they will determine then if State Trooper Brian North will testify in this trial. Live in Milford, Braceda Landaverde, NBC Connecticut News. We'll send it back to you.
Braceda, thank you.